Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to root your device without using Magisk, but instead using KernelSU. It's a super clean method, and the best part, your banking apps will work perfectly with this. All you need is an unlocked bootloader, and if you're not sure how to unlock it, don't worry, I've got a video covering that. Check out the video in my channel. So, let's get started. I've added a link in the description to download KernelSU. You'll also need your boot image file of your device ROM. If you're unsure where to get it, join our Telegram group where we'll try to help you find the right boot image for your device. First, we need to install the KernelSU application. After downloading it, give permission to install the app, open it, and you'll see the option to install KernelSU. This boot image which we'll be needing to patch the KernelSU into it. Let's just open the KernelSU application. So here is the KernelSU which shows it is not installed. I'm going to click on Install. Select my boot image file. And then hit Next. KernelSU will now patch the boot image, and the patched file will be saved in your Downloads folder. Let's just move ahead in the Download folder. I use the Solid Explorer app to explore. You can see the new file name KernelSU patch image is created. I'll rename this file to something simpler like boot1.img so it's easier to find later. I'll also delete the old boot image to avoid any confusion. Now, I'll just copy this file to my PC in the Platform Tools folder and flash this boot image file. Once copying the file is done, simply power off the phone and boot into fast boot mode. To do this, hold down the power plus volume down buttons. Once in fast boot mode, connect the device to PC. Here you can see I have copied the file into the Platform Tools folder. Now entering CMD in the File Explorer bar to open the command prompt. Now, I'll type the command, fastboot flashboot, and then drag the new boot1.img file into the command prompt. Now hit enter to flash the file in the device. And there you go, KernelSU is installed successfully. Now, let's power on the phone and check the KernelSU is working fine or not. Now let's just go to the KernelSU application. And as you can see, KernelSU is working perfectly. Now we have rooted our phone without Magisk, and banking apps will work without any issue. I can now give root access to specific apps and even install modules. To pass SafetyNet and Play Integrity checks, we can install the module the same as Magisk. If you're interested in that, I've already created a video for it. Check that out too. For those using different ROMs, the steps might vary. Some ROMs provide a zip file that you can flash through OrangeFox Recovery, and KernelSU will get installed that way. So just keep that in mind. And that's it. Now you can enjoy root access without using Magisk, and the best part? Your banking apps and apps like Google Pay, Netflix, and more will work just fine with KernelSU. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our Telegram group for more tips. See you in the next one.